Linawin ko lang kaya. I mean, I think hindi mo na i-bleep tong lahat ng
Ay,
sinabi. Tama
ano?
ba? Hindi na. Tuloy mo na
Di,
to. Hindi
alin?
na. Fuck this shit, di ba? Okay, tuloy na yan.
Yes.
Meron ba akong freedom to say whatever?
Yes! How can you build awareness around these words? Like, kailangan pa ba ng clinical diagnosis before you use those words? Kailangan mo lang ba maging aware if you're feeling like yung extreme sadness? Yun na ba yun?
When I was asked this before, ng isang client, ang sinasagot ko sa kanya is very simple. I am not here to give you definitions of that. Wala.
Okay.
Hindi mo ako maririnig. I get to understand na iba rin yung usapan pag sinabi nilang clinically depressed. So, minsan nagiging ako na yung last hope. Most of my clients are tapos na sila. Galing na sila dun sa meds. And I understand that's a different practice. Again, I'm working with a different practice here. Linawin ko lang. Okay? Not to say anything bad with anything. No, 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 no. Not to say anything bad. I am not here to define it for you. It is defined by the person going through it. So kung ang tanong ko is ano yung depression para sa'yo, yun yung gusto ko intindihin eh. Kasi as a professional, ito yung challenge. When I
Mm.
say something, there's a big, big, big chance you would make it your reality.
Ah, uy, gusto ko yun, coach. Ang ganda nun.